Hi friends, good morning. Aman Shah here from HTC Diesel Engines. I'm proud to present here today in Coimbatore. We are with lovely weather. We have an air-cooled 10 HP engine in front of us. This is an HTC engine with a heavy fuel tank, a big air cleaner, a big silencer, a ratchet type engine to control the speed and control your diesel consumption. We have a very heavy flywheel here for easy start engines. The flywheel is very big. This is a quality engine that I'm bringing to you today. It is one of our best engines. It is sold worldwide. We export to African countries, to UAE. We sell all India basis, from all the way from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The engines are being sold. Our range is from 5 HP to 38 HP, from air cool, water cool, and the entire range. If you want a good quality product at a good price, you need to call us. If you call us, you're going to get a great product and you're going to be happy with it. Thank you. See you.